Today is Monday, November 9th. This is the 1967-1968 Cadillac shell horns. This is the A and D tone horns, 715529. And I'm going to do a functional validation test. These units have been fully reconditioned and they have absolutely beautiful pitch, tone, sound, that is. So I'll go ahead and connect the units to power. And first we'll test the D horn, right there, D tone. Okay, now we'll test the A tone. And these horns are absolutely beautiful. They have perfect tone and pitch. And I'll be offering these to anyone interested. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac, over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, instrument clusters, steering columns, power seat mechanisms, and other critical, difficult to source components for the vintage Cadillacs to serious Cadillac owners and collectors all over the world. And today I've been demonstrating the 715529 tone A and D shell horns. These work in conjunction with a trumpet horn and with the other two shell horns as well, depending on the option vehicle for that particular model year. This is George in Florida. Today is November 9th. Thank you very kindly.